Have you ever thought about what you could do with your old stuff instead of throwing it away? Welcome to the wonderful world of upcycling, where sustainability meets creativity. Think of it as a second chance for your used items, an opportunity to transform them into something unique and practical. Today we'll explore 10 inventive upcycling ideas, from turning old t-shirts into tote bags, to creating unique jewelry with keyboard keys. So are you ready to give your old items a new lease of life? Let's dive into these upcycling ideas. First on our list is transforming your old t-shirts into tote bags. All you need are some old t-shirts and a few stitches here and there. This not only reduces textile waste but also gives you a practical and stylish alternative to plastic bags. And of course you can proudly say you made it yourself. Next up, we're turning wine corks into a unique bulletin board. Gather all the wine corks you've been collecting and simply glue them together. This fun and functional project gives those corks a second life and adds a touch of charm to your space. Now, let's talk about empty glass jars. Instead of tossing them in the recycling bin, why not turn them into planters? Simply add some soil and small plants or herbs, and voila! You have added a touch of greenery to your space while reusing glass containers. Our fourth idea is to create mosaic coasters out of old CDs. Break the CDs into small pieces and arrange them in a mosaic pattern on a plain coaster. Seal with clear resin for a glossy, durable finish. This is a fantastic way to give a new purpose to those CDs that are no longer in use. Lastly, for this segment, let's turn the pages of old books into unique wall art. Cut out interesting or visually appealing pages and frame them. This is a great way to repurpose damaged or unused books, and it adds a personal touch to your home decor. These are just a few of the many creative ways you can upcycle your old items. But we're not done yet. We have 5 more ideas to share with you, so let's keep the creativity flowing and continue to transform the old into the new. Moving on to our 6th upcycling idea, upcycled pallet furniture. Who knew that old pallets could be transformed into trendy furniture pieces? All you need to do is sand and paint the pallets to match your desired aesthetic. With a little bit of elbow grease, you can create coffee tables, shelves, or even outdoor seating, giving those discarded pallets a new lease on life. Our next idea is plastic bottle planters. Instead of tossing out those plastic bottles, why not turn them into planters? Simply cut the plastic bottles in half and use the bottom portions to house your favorite plants. You can even paint or decorate them for a personalized touch. It's a fantastic way to add a dash of green to your space while reducing plastic waste. The 8th idea on our list is drawer shelves. Old drawers from dressers or cabinets can be given a second life by mounting them on the wall as shelves. With a fresh coat of paint or a new finish, these drawer shelves can add a touch of rustic charm to any room. Next, we have magazine collage art. This is an excellent way to breathe new life into those old magazines gathering dust on your coffee table. Cut out images and words that catch your eye and arrange them into a collage. Once framed, this visually striking piece of art can add a pop of color and personality to your walls. Finally, we have keyboard key jewelry. Don't let those old computer keyboards go to waste. Salvage the keys to create unique and personalized jewelry. Attach them to earring hooks or pendant settings for a tech-inspired accessory that's sure to be a conversation starter. And there you have it, 10 clever ways to upcycle everything around you. Who knew that old junk could turn into such treasures? It's amazing what a little creativity and ingenuity can do. Upcycling isn't just about creating something new, it's about reducing waste, saving resources, and making a positive impact on our environment. Try these 10 clever upcycling ideas, see the transformation unfold right before your eyes, and share your upcycled masterpieces with the world. Remember, the key to upcycling is creativity. So, let your imagination run wild and start turning